Hello fellow cake eaters, welcome to Adventure Airsoft. Today, my name is Mike. We are looking at a very special game from Phoenix Airsoft in Nottingham. This game is all about the trench system and it's bunny time, okay? So it's
put the bunny back in the box.
Or the compound. We have the bunny, we're attacking the trench system and we are moving up. The bunny has to go into each trench system then to finally get into the compound to win the game. The defending forces in the trenches have 5 lives. Once they've exhausted those 5 lives, they are then out of the game. No medics on their team, but we have medics and unlimited respawns on our team. So to that end, I will leave you with some action. Apologies for the annoying clicking as I run during this game. It's unfortunate that I've damaged a camera mount and it was making that noise. Fortunately I couldn't hear it running, but obviously until looking at the footage I noticed it was damaged, so apologies for that. So that's one down. We are on the right hand flank of the field there. Just in front of us about 50 yards is the first trench system, along with some sort of defensive positions on either side, built up of old pallets, etc. So at the minute I'm using some different firing techniques, different firing positions, mainly especially sat in your arse, laid back a little bit, and you can then twist yourself around the sort of around the corner without having to sort of crouch down, bend over, and look up and put yourself into a different position. So it's quite good, quite a useful one. At the minute we're just trying to work out where we are, what we're doing, and then eventually work out where the bunny is. And you can see we managed to get a grip of the bunny and get the bunny moving in the game.
Thank you very much. Where is Flopsy? Oh dear. That isn't very good. I don't know how far the trenches are that way, coming this way. There's some people in the trees firing this way though. Oh, right, there's just people in the trees. Oh, I got you, okay. So, yeah. There's a group of pallets, yeah. I think there's someone in the wood line here. On the far left, there's like a dark patch. I think there's somebody in there. Every now and again I'll see like a spray of gunfire going over my head. Oh yeah, I got him.
So unfortunately there's quite a few in that area on the left hand side of the pallet, so until we move up and take it they keep coming back.
On the side there we can get to? Or are we still...
After sticking with it, we managed to finally get rid of the guys that are in there and use up all their lives, so they start walking off. And now we decide to make a decision on moving forward.
It's empty now. Yeah. The guys on the pallets were dead. Can anyone push up to the left? The pallets are empty.
Apologies now for the profound, disgusting language.
You need to get Flopsy, the fucking bunny.
I did mean
Bring
get
it
the
round
bunny to start moving up.
You can. Get the fucking bunny. The left flank's empty now. Empty. Completely fucking empty. Where?
So, getting increasingly frustrated with us being there, and obviously I think the enemy's getting frustrated as well by us being where we are. But very soon, we get the bunny and we start to push forward. We can see guys now pushing on the left-hand flank, hopefully suppressing the enemy and preventing them getting back into that sort of bunker area.
Don't like us being here. Yeah, we can get in there. Yeah, that's empty there in a minute. Yeah. The left flank is empty. Well, there's a black thing at the bottom of the pallet, but I don't think it's moving. and there's three guys on the left flank here now looking directly at it, so if they ain't shooting at it, and they're not shooting the guy in front, hey, 12 o'clock are you now, tree? 12 o'clock are you now? Oh, you shot. Oh.
As per usual, if you do like the look of any of my kit, you can please see a link below the video, and you can see what I use, where I get it from, etc. And if you've got any comments, please feel free to leave them. But I'll leave you to the action now of the bunny moving up.
Get the sniper, can you? Yeah. Right, I'm going to go left. Ready? Ready? No, I just need to get that little bastard in that trench now. Get this one here. He's got to get in each trench, hasn't he? It depends if he wants to fly or not. Oh, okay. What do you want, mate? Throw him, don't throw him, I don't care.
So this is a, I don't normally like talking about people that don't take the hits and stuff, but there's a guy in the trench in a minute now that blatantly he's been hit by myself and the guy to my right and a number of times. Now we are using the medic rule. They are using the 5 lives, but you know it's not 5 lives after you've been hit 20 times. You can see him just takes the mick. He even gets out half gets out of the trench in a second, puts his hand up, and then gets back in. So so apart from this one individual, we had no dramas the entire day there playing. Obviously with the likes of Kicking Mustang, it was a fantastic event, really good weekend, and I'd thoroughly recommend going to Phoenix.
Yeah, you need to get on that tree line and get moved down, using the trees as cover. You also have some surface support. We've got any snipers around here, so I want to shoot a bit further. There's one more in the trench in front of you. Definitely no kill that one. What's your right flank? Right flank! Need to move forward. Give us a bit of cover in fire. We get this tree here. This one.
So my first death then. Basically, with the rules we're working out is we've got medic rule, but obviously I'm cut out in the open here. The respawn for us is basically run back to the marshal. You can see that I run back 2 in a second, round the marshal, and that's your respawn. You're back in then. So it's a dynamic respawn. As we take a trench and move forward, he will then move up with the rest of the firefight, and then your respawn sort of isn't too far back. So try and seize the advantage and keep the momentum moving forward. As I'm respawning back in, I move to the right hand flank with a sniper that's on the right there to try and clear those areas that were dead to us before, that the one that killed me, and therefore try and push further forward a little bit quicker and keep that momentum going.
Sniper, can you see that sniper there? It's 11 o'clock. Base of the tree. Got him. What, it's 11 o'clock though? 11 o'clock of him. That one there. Ready? Where'd he go? Where's he going? See that straight ahead of the sniper.
So you can see quite quickly how a bit of positive aggression has an effect on other people. So there's nobody else apart from me and the sniper on the right hand flank here. Now by me pushing further forward there and people seeing that and people getting egged on and kind of getting spurred on by it, you can see there's quite a few people now pushing forward, and now we've gained quite a significant amount of ground from one trench to the other. So basically now I find out I'm out of ammo. My ball bag is out of ammo, so all mags are out of ammo, and I decide to ditch the M4, make the rather rash decision to go along with the rest of the game with a pistol alone, and using speed and agility as my ally with the bunny to get the bunny into the compound.
You in that trench here or you out? Or this one here? Oh shit, sorry mate. That's 10. Do a bit of course, we'll get this trench here. Yeah.
Now we're about halfway through the field. This is the sort of centre area with the trench and the car that sits above it. You may be wondering why I'm firing an automatic, and that's because my pistol was sadly damaged and locked on full auto rather than single shot. Great headshot from one of the enemy team there. Really good. Quick respawn now. Quick sprint back to where we can respawn, get back in the game, and start pushing up yet again.
Yeah, it's right, just on the right hand side of the trench, behind the pallet. Jump into that trench and spin it. Either go round or jump behind that car. Go round, we'll take him out on the left, eh? How many trenches are after this? It's gone, get in the trench, go! Watch your left, It's gone! Yeah. Someone took me the rabbit thing. I can crawl up to that there. Yeah, it's got to go in each trench. You crawl along here, you can't see us.
And that's right. Some of the team didn't realise that the start brief for the game was mentioned that the rabbit has to go into each trench on the way through the trench systems, not just run it around the outside and straight into the compound.
Lads, use the car as cover. Get on the inside of the trench there. Use the car as shoot through the windows of the car. you want a timed one? Yeah. Jez, if one of you can come here, shoot for the windows of the car, use the car as cover. Keep pushing, come on, keep pushing up. Watch that left flank, mate. Driving through there, watch that left flank. Was there? I saw the rounds clicking the trees, but I didn't know where it comes from. Go on then. Those flops have gone down there.
So we finally make it to past the halfway point in the map, and there's a bit of a lull in the battle. Everyone's sort of trying to catch up and steady themselves. So I go for a quick replay of ammunition, ready for the next big jump through some open ground into the next sort of quite difficult trench system with lots of defensive positions to cover them. So although it's quite difficult from this point on, we keep the momentum, and we make short work of the next couple of minutes to get through into the compound. Let's have a little bit of rock music now from the amazing Florian hack to take us to the towards the end of the video now.
Gents, when it's clear, we can get this fucking bunny rabbit up. Is there anywhere we can run to, gents? It's sort of clear out there to free up this space and get the bunny rabbit out. Can you push forward 20 trees so we can get the bunny rabbit onto here? Is there any chance you can go around and get on these trees here so we can start pushing forward? Without going this way, because this is a kill box here for whoever's down there at the minute. But the bit of luck they'll run out of ammo as well. The bit of luck they'll run out of ammo as well. What's the chance of you running to that next tree there with that tree? Right, okay. Well, if we put some... Gents, I'm going to check the rabbit for that next tree down there, but I need some fire down them, okay? Oh, thanks mate. I'll have to... It's tied in, it's alright. It's too quiet. Snipe from the left flank in there as well, or not? Oh, it's our snipe, it's alright. Right. Jump up, mate. Or stand on there and put some rounds down, I'll move. Hey mate, come to this side of the tree. And then straight in front of you, to your 12 o'clock, there's a sniper. You see him hiding out now, poking out. Get ready, suppress him for me. Well, you suppress him down there, I'm going to get to that next tree down there. Come this side, go. Ready, go. Bad idea. Bad idea. Got him. Fucking Flopsy off the tree. Gonna move, you okay? I know he's dead. Do us a favour. Push up to that tree there. Quick smart, look into that trench for us. Get in that trench, get in that trench, I can move up. Someone move out the way from there. Is that trench clear? Oh, fuck me, get in.
With VIP Flopsy getting a little bit too excited, and the team, and even myself, we end up putting ourselves at a little bit too much risk too early, and we leave ourselves open to attack from behind and the flanks. Quickly, my teammate dispatched the Nazi paratrooper that was shooting us from the rear. He then followed up and meant me bring me back to life, so we could carry on with the objective.
He's dead! He's dead! Cease fire! He's dead! Poor fucker. This trench here. Get this trench. Okay, ready?
Last sprint towards the objective now. Just ahead of us there, you can see the compound, so we're right on top of it. There's no time to get complacent though. You got to make sure that you clear these compounds and corners quickly and efficiently. If you've liked any of the videos here, please give us a like and subscribe. Also check the comments below for any kit and equipment. No bunnies were hurt during this operation, especially Flopsy, but we live to fight another day. I'll look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.
On there, on there. Compound, isn't it? Where's Marshall? Just compound or what? Is it? Thank you. Well done, mate. Cheers, boys. Wait on. Well done.